Hey there, I'm Lisa Aharon, makeup artist, and I'm here to talk to you today about mistakes in makeup, specifically how to blend foundation, how to choose your color, and find a formulation that works for your skin type. So before applying any foundation, you really do have to make sure that your skincare is taken care of. Today, my skin's experiencing a lot of redness and sort of sensitivity. I can feel that it's really irritated. So I'm gonna be using the Magnolia, Jasmine, and Lily Healing Emulsion, which is one of my favorite products to use for sensitive skin on both myself and my clients. I find it really calming and really hydrating. So I'm just gonna use a small amount of moisturizer on my skin prior to playing with any foundations. I'm gonna just press this in so to not aggravate my skin any more than I need to. I really like to use the Rose de Mai as a boost of glow and extra hydration if the healing emulsion isn't enough. And I like to just, not emulsify, but mix this with the warmth of my hands. Press it into the skin. There's one more thing about skincare that you cannot skip, and that's either using an eye cream or an eye gel, some type of eye mask underneath your eye before applying concealer, which is a part of your foundation. And there is nothing that I request more than these eye patches. They are something that is in my arsenal of makeup every day of the year, whether it's for myself or for my clients. And I like to put them on as I'm applying foundation sometimes. So I'm just gonna put these on so you can see the benefit that 5 minutes with these babies will give you. They're pretty magical. You wanna put the smaller end on the inside and the larger end on the outside so that it targets any fine lines or wrinkles you might have underneath your eye. All right, 5 minutes will do the trick. I'm just gonna peel these off and push the excess product under my eye. There you go. Instant brightening.